Hi, welcome to our channel. Have your iPhone screen got zoomed in, and everything in your iPhone or iPad is too bigger to use it? It is because the zoom feature has been enabled in your settings app. If you are on locked screen, you might have difficulty unlocking it. Even when your iPhone is unlocked, you probably still don't know how to zoom it out. In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways go fix iPhone stuck in zoom mode. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe our channel and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Go ahead and comment down below that more tutorials you'd like to see from us. 1. Use 3 fingers to zoom out. First, when iPhone's stuck on zoom in, and some people may not know about the zoom in and zoom out function. Just double tapping on the screen with 3 fingers, the iPhone will zoom out. Both zoom in and zoom out share this same gesture. 2. Force restart your iPhone. If the first method doesn't work, try to restart your iDevice. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or the older ones, hold the power and home buttons at the same time until the Apple logo appears. So once it boots up, you can see your screen has zoomed itself out automatically. 3. Disable zoom mode. To prevent this from happening again so unexpectedly, you can head to Settings. Accessibility. Tap Zoom. Then go ahead and toggle it off. Now your display size will stay immune to the gesture. 4. Using the iTunes or Finder. If you got a computer handy, you can turn it off using iTunes or Finder. Just connect your iDevice to computer and open the iTunes. Here, click this phone button and scroll down and click Configure Accessibility. Go ahead and uncheck the box next to Use Zoom. This not only zooms the screen out. 5. 100% solve iPhone stuck in zoom mode problem. Another way to fix it from a computer is using TunesKit iOS system recovery. Step 1. Launch TunesKit. Connect the iPhone with your computer. Launch TunesKit. Click the Start button. Step 2. Choose mode. Click the standard mode and then the next button to go to the next step. Step 3. Download firmware. Check the information which belongs to your iPhone and tap the download button. You are downloading firmware. When it ends, click the blue repair button and just wait for 1 or 2 minutes to get a fixed iPhone. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.